Welcome to howtopam. Today I'd like to show you the difference between the versions of Librecad that are available. Now, if you've installed your Librecad via the software center here, then you likely have a very stable version of Librecad, but an older version, 2.0.8. Now, this old stable version is quite reliable for those of you that don't want to deal with the odd bug or something that might come up. However, if you like to live on the edge, the bleeding edge of technology, Librecad is now up to 2.1.0, and they've totally redesigned the user interface. And I run, because we test a lot of software here at howtopam, I run the older versions as well as the newer versions, which I get through the daily build PPAs, and I check out the stability of the software and the functionality. On some of my other operating systems, I have the newer version of Librecad, and I will just close out of this one and open up the newer version on another operating system and show you the new features in the version 2.1.0 of Librecad that's available by adding the daily PPA to your system and then upgrading your system and downloading the newer version. Back on the other operating system here, we have Librecad in the most recent version. As you can see, instead of 2.0.8, we have 2.10. And you will notice here that it has quite a different user interface. However, all the standard buttons are still there, and though it has a few added options, if you've used the other version, the older version from the software center, which is very stable, this newer version is not any more difficult to operate. And I have found that using this version is quite stable yet. I haven't had any issues with it. To get the new version of Librecad, we can just Google Librecad, and when you see Librecad in Google here, we can go over to the Librecad website if you're running the main version, and you can see here that under the install area on the Librecad website, we could add this PPA here, and that's as simple as just copying we could copy and paste, and this will add the PPA for the daily build into our system. We push enter and give our password, and after we've added that, then we can run an update and then upgrade or simply install Librecad, and that will give you the newer version. Now, it's important to mention here that this daily build here could be highly unstable because they add to it regularly, but here is the Librecad stable PPA. But if you want the newest version, you need to put in the Librecad Daily, and that will give you the updated features. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up the drawing on this new version and to get started drawing with the basic tools. And once you find your way around the system, you'll easily be able to advance your knowledge with the system just by using it. Okay? Thanks for watching. Howtopam.